Syok, dito na yun, may isang mga Kalinga kayo ng Ilocano, mag-project Tabuk City, Kalinga.
Ikuwi mo isang half Filipino and Black American from Casileo, Zambales.
Yawi Chow! Metong Kapampangan ni Berker, Magalang Pampanga.
What's up? Ini si Tomas Sarong Bicolano, Hanipis Tabaco City, Albay.
Yo, what's up everyone? Ako yung Arjus ng Wari-Wari, taga Borongan, Eastern Samar.
What's up? Ano si Ala sa Bisaya, Giga Davao City, at kami! Wow!
Hello, Afni family. Hello po.
Hello po.
First of all, we are very honored to be a part of this momentous occasion today. And we would like to acknowledge the executives and the leaders of AFNI. Thank you so much for having us. And syempre, mga maghilo na nandito ngayon. What's up?
Yung mga nasa taas din.
What's up? Thank you for being here. Okay, sobrang energy ngayong araw. And finally, nandito na kami. And gusto ko lang pasalamatan AFNI family. Thank you so much for having us here. And mga bagilo namin at si Kuya na nasa CR. Nakailang beses na po ako mag-CR kanina. So sobrang excited ko makita kayo guys. And this next song namin, I want everyone na managinip muna. Yeah. Para sa mga taong gusto nilang mahalin. Pero, alam mo ba pero
Malabong
hanggang
maging
panaginip lang.
Hanggang panaginip.
So this song is Sa